Sanko 4:66 a.m. Do not go inside. Patito Casbong. Lock the door and windows. Isang ito, Simon. Kupa isang Simon's room. Tiku san decided to go to Simon's room. Turn off your light. Pedro locked the door. Drive to run. This is emergency broadcast by Filipino. This is not a drill. This is not a test. This is emergency broadcast by Filipino. This is not a drill. This is not a test. You are silent in your house. In your house. Go inside. Do not go inside. Take shares into immunity. This is emergency broadcast by Filipino element. This is not a drill. This is not a test. This is emergency broadcast by Filipino element. This is not a drill. This is not a test. This is emergency broadcast by Filipino element. This is not a drill. This is not a test. This is emergency broadcast by Filipino element. This is not a drill.